Today we are looking at the Bosch KGV39VW32G Fridge Freezer in white. Visit the Cool Kitchen website, link in the description below this video for more information. With a Bosch KGV39VW32G Fridge Freezer, you'll have 344 liters of total space at your disposal, with practical features that save energy and make food storage simple. Super cool fridge. Keep your fresh food safe in the 250-liter fridge compartment, complete with 5 safety glass shelves that are adjustable to accommodate different items. A CrisperBox drawer allows you to keep your fruit and vegetables in the best possible conditions so that they stay fresh and crunchy for longer. It features a slider to increase or decrease humidity to suit what you're storing. You'll also benefit from 4 door compartments, an egg rack and a wine rack to help you neatly arrange your foodstuffs, bottles and jars. Super chilled freezer. The Bosch KGV39VW32G Fridge Freezer offers a big 94 liters of freezer space that includes a handy BigBox that comfortably holds larger items such as frozen poultry or big tubs of ice cream. Thanks to low frost technology, you won't have to defrost your freezer as often, as ice accumulation is reduced by half. It's a great time and energy-saving feature. Added practicality. Activate the Super Freeze function in the freezer to lower internal temperatures for when you're introducing new groceries. They'll be frozen in much less time, locking in nutrients and protecting things you already have stored. Enjoy added flexibility with the Vario Zone freezer compartment that's flexible enough for you to pack or stack your food as required. The fridge offers LED lighting that brightly illuminates the cabinet so that you can clearly see what you're looking for, and helps the KGV39VW32G use less energy. You can also remove the magnetic door seals for easy cleaning and maintenance. Choose the Bosch KGV39VW32G Fridge Freezer to keep your groceries in great condition for maximum freshness and flavor. Click on the Cool Kitchen website, link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.